The number one problem this Mossy Oak mini folding pocket knife solves is you don't have to carry multiple EDC tools. Probably the thing that everyone loves most about this knife is the size. It is tiny enough to fit in your pocket without feeling like a big heavy rock, and it's still big enough that you will actually use this knife. It doesn't get in the way, and the blade stays sharp, especially when you need to do real work. It's the right size to carry around, and it's not going to be annoying or bulky. Now, I do like to research if there's any negatives on a product, and the only thing I saw with this is people did some complaining about the rope cutter. Some say it sticks out a little too much. I personally haven't had that problem yet, so just be aware. Is it worth it? Well, for the money, heck yeah. It is handy to have around. It's sharp. You will use it. I consider this little Mossy Oak folder a buy.